Hello class, my name is Mark Botufe and today I will be presenting web usability principles. So it is true that usability has become a commodity. Over the past few years, we've gotten used to certain standards in web design. In order to make a lasting impression on your visitors, you need to build experience that go beyond those of a plain usable website. This does not mean usability has become any less important. It just takes on a different role in web design, now forming the basis for a great user experience. One may ask, what is web usability principles? So to start, usability means user-centered design. Both the design and the development process are focused around the prospective user to make sure their goals, mental models, and requirements are met. So over here in this picture, we have the basic principles, and we have effective writing, we have simplicity, we have use of white space, which I'll be showing you in a couple of examples. We also have that is the info hierarchy, that is also part of a great design. And also you don't want your users or your visitors to waste time looking for resources here and there. So I'm going to be talking and I'm going to be showing examples in a couple of in the coming slides. Okay, so the first principle is availability and accessibility. So basically, it's important to ensure your visitors don't get error trying to load your website. So I will recommend you invest in good hosting, and also so that like your users don't get worried like if they can't access your website. So basically over here we have the Amazon website, and a screen like how it appears on the web, and also how it appears on a mobile device. So here actually we could see the Amazon website. It is pretty accessible, and when you also access it on your mobile device, it is pretty good. So next is to also check for broken links. So you're going to double check if you have no dead links on your website, and also to make sure that anybody who tries to access your website on any device, like that should work. My next point is clarity. So with clarity is to pretty like make things clear to your visitors. So visitors come to your website with certain goal in mind. It is your job to help them reach these goals as quickly as possible. If you manage to do that, your visitors will be pleased, and you have laid the groundwork for a positive experience. So basically we have simplicity, familiarity, guidance, good information, architecture, consistency, and direct feedback. Basically, I find this direct feedback to be really important, because feedback is essential to any interaction. So the moment people interact with your site, make sure to offer an indication of success or failure of their actions. So this actually helps you build a better website, so that your users like your visitors and your users can return back. And yeah, so here let's look at the Apple website. We could see that here is pretty simple. We have all these white spaces right there, and yeah, like it looks pretty clean actually. Okay, so now my next point is learnability. Okay, so in this case it should be your goal to design intuitive interfaces. Okay, So what this means is that interfaces that don't require instructions or even a long process of trial and error to figure them out. So the key is to make use of what people already know or create something new that is easy to learn. So basically, if you use new concepts in your design, make sure also to use make sure to actually make them consistent and also give people a hand during the initial learning phase. So for example, let's say you can offer additional information or instructions the first time they use your site or the first time they use your site or product. So keep it simple and visual to help people remember the new concepts. So this is actually a screenshot of the Microsoft website, which is pretty simple. So once you go, okay, here the security and updates, here's the support. Maybe if you don't understand, or maybe if your Windows is crashing or something, you have your support. Or maybe if you are using a product that you want support, you just click on it, and you also have downloads of all their products on their website. You know, okay. So my next point is credibility. So in this case, credibility is a crucial aspect of any website. So even if people find the content they are looking for, if they don't trust you, your content is worthless. So what do I mean by this? So your website could cause visitors to be skeptical about your business in a number of ways, including whether or not you really exist, your reputation, or the quality of your content. So actually, what I would say is it is important that people know you are real, like you are a real company with real people. So it is important to offer like the about us page. So you're gonna put it there. I think like every company has it. I think Amazon, Apple, and all these great companies, Tesla, you know, like they have it. So we're gonna put the about us there. So like with the contact details, and if possible, your physical address. Um, Also avoid mistakes such as incorrect grammar or misspellings. And yeah, so and also maybe you can also show third party testimonials and um maybe photographs of celebrities, to convince people of your quality and popularity you know of their products. So yeah, so this is an important part of the web usability principles. So my next point is relevancy. Okay, so relevancy consists or contributes to good website usability. So it's not enough that your website is clear. Your content must be relevant. Again, it is essential that you know your users and why they visit your website. So so you'll start with defining who your users are. Second, you're gonna talk to them to find out. What their goals are when visiting your website. And third is you're gonna define scenarios that demonstrate in which um in which situation people visit your website to find what kind of content. So any design decision that you make should result in a more user-friendly website for your users. So yes, so basically, so when we visit the the Nike website, we could see that is pretty it's pretty clear, and it's pretty relevant. So all these prices are basically updated every now and then, and the content, is real and clear. So anybody who visits, Nike.com knows, oh, okay, like there's actually a sport website, and yeah, like they offer sporting products and stuff like that. So yeah, usability means, and to test again. You know, good usability is not attained um overnight. It requires thorough user research and an iterative approach of constant testing and refining. So to conclude, I'll say good usability depends on whether your website is available, clear, credible, learnable, and relevant to the people who actually use it. Okay, so thank you all. I will answer questions in the comment section, and also these are my references to my presentation. Thank you very much.